Guys, this is the Careline X one-piece collaboration. Sobrang dami niya. Ipakita ko sa inyo real quick. They have the eyeshadow palette, super creative kasi umiikot talaga siya parang compass. And then they have the micro tip ended liner, brow tattoo, gel liner, volumizing mascara and clear mascara, satin lip bullet, and peel-off tint. Gumawa ako ng separate videos for each product. So if you wanna deep dive, check nyo lang yung profile ko. Kung papipiliin ako ng favorites, siguro I'll give you my top 3 muna. Sige, sa third place muna tayo. Ang top 3 ko is itong peel-off tint. I'm a lip tint girly talaga and super fun nitong gamitin. Hindi siya messy and actually madali lang siyang i-apply. Hindi rin siya drying sa lips and I really like the finish. So second place is the brow tattoo. Actually akala ko mahirap siyang gamitin pero no, within seconds lang meron ka ng brows. Plus kahit pagpawisan ka, mag-oil up ka, hindi siya basta-basta nabubura. And my number 1 fave, of course, the eyeshadow palette. I mean, packaging pa lang panalo na, diba? Super creative. And yung shades niya, pwede for fresh, everyday makeup, pwede rin yung mga pang-glam, pwede rin yung pang-creative looks. This is the final look using all the products. Again, meron akong separate video for each. So kung gusto nyo ng detailed review, i-check nyo lang yung profile ko.